Kero wasmile.
No, kufanele ngijabule bhuti omdala ngoba njoba ngilana njoba ngibhale kanje operation thatha zonke bengizovikela i-trophy yami ukuthi ingathathwa la. Ngizele lonke nje ngizogada. Ukuthi i-trophy yami ingahambi. Njoba kuphuma abafowethu sekusele thina wasenzana masenza kanje i-Eros ngikhulume naye uManto izolo ngathi no Manto angifuna okuningi labantu abashaya ngo-1-0 ngoba nabantu abayi ku-extra time angithi so bashaye bangaku extra time
ngoba nebakwara bari wena uya ku extra time
no angina ngiya ku extra time kodwa ngiyawina angithi into ebaleke ebholeni i-finishing i-finishing uthi awuyanga ku extra time or ngikhona ku extra time is the ngikhona ukuthi ngishaye i-winning goal. The very important thing if football is a winning goal. Namanje njoba ubona kunjena angithi sebayenza i-draw kuhlala isikhukhune bona sebazobukela ke manje and bona kade bafika bana 2 season bangena.
Oh, so there's a draw already is happened.
Yes, it's happened already.
Who are you playing?
Orlando Pirates versus Khukhune, first leg at Peter Mkaba.
Okay.
Yes, second leg at Escotini.
Okay.
Mamelodi Sundowns so. So makuso iba mnandi ngoba abafowethu angibazofefa iSundowns. Masiye kusikhukhune bafefa isikhukhune. Kodwa bona bafefa iSundowns ukuthi mhlambe yiyo ngamalamlela. Kodwa kuyafana.
Alright, GNU is coming back.
No, bona bayenza GNU obvious. Mase so already uzobona kule game zobe sengibhale report yeGNU vele. Ngoba ukuwina kwethu ngiyazi ukuthi abafowethu abathandi. Yonke igame esiwinayo kuthiwa siwinenge lakhe izolo. Siwina ileague but siwinenge ngama own goal.
But it was fluke.
Yes. So onke ama game esiwawina vele for abafowethu awekho right. But sina soloko sithatha ama trophy. Bona bakhomplena but iPSL iloko isihlonipha ngoba kwamanje sithathe kwes4 kwes5 iM10 lokho sithatha. So masithatha manje kwes5 iM10 thina asacompete ukudlala ama quarter final. Vele siye final manje iM10 seyikhulumile masithatha manje next season siyolinda abantu ku final ngoba asekho isidingo sokuthi sidlala ama quarter final sisiyazi singama champ every season makukhompitwa i-team ebhekwe kakhulu ku M10 80 Pirates every season elele ukujwayela ukusukura ngama last minute sesijwayele hayi ukuthi mhlambe into efika izolo ngizakhumbula kwenye game shaya isikhukhune sona lesikhukhune eLoftus uNetbank ngama last minutes fakwe 3 minutes sashaya igoli ngama last minutes lento sijwayele from njalo ko Ben Makhala lento sijwayele so abafowethu bazoloko baminya kodwa thina siko lapha nasiloko siyaphambili ukuthi wasiwinning offside or what asingendawo esidonga urefu ayikhombe center nasiloko celebrate so iM10 kwamanje seyizosekhaya futhi esigodini indento izobhora abantu abaningi ngoba abathandi bafuna yePitola ngitibona ngokufisa kwabo kodwa ngiunderstand ukuthi how come wena awusifiseli into eright ufuna into eright iye ngale ePitola why ungafuna ukusupport umntwana wasekhaya at least nasithathe ma celebrate lapha eOrlando nawo abafowethu njengoba basephefeni bayasijoyina nawo badla inyama kwenza ibrayi njengoba kade kwenza ibrayi manje masithatha ileague njengoba kade kwenza ibrayi manje elokishini kade sidla nawo inyama labafana beChiefs kodwa kwamanje bafuna i-trophy yePitola ePitola uzotholana iPitola ngoba iPitola isekudeni kakhulu iPitola isekudeni kakhulu support umntwana wasekhaya ayenza izinto eziright mawunenkinga uzokhona ukusiza nathi singakhulu ukuthi sibaboreka amanye ama player aright ngoba siyakwazi ukusayina ngithini ngokwe-signing siyakwazi ukusayina and ngizokhuluma ne-management ye-Chiefs ngibascoutela ama-player ya ngisebenza just for scouting.
Danke Bagania.
Yebo injalo lento. Sibonga.